Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the Personalize section. Then let's tap on this, the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. And here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So from our own photos, we can create it with AI, dynamic ones, which are animated, and curated images, which are static and regular wallpapers. Let me choose something from the dynamic option. And as you can see here, we have to download them. So make sure that you've got the internet connection. I'll download this whale. So just a second, and it will immediately appear in this My Wallpaper section. So let me tap on it and just tap on Set Wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.